But in this election season, perhaps the most disturbing development that has come in has been from Karnataka. The MP and now JDS-BJP alliance candidate Prajwal Revanna, caught in the sexual abuse allegations that he's facing, though he has denied. But what appears to be is, with the charges coming in of harassment and regular abuse of several women who were employed as domestic staff with the Revanna family. After Prajwal Revanna has sought 7 days' time from SIT to appear before them as the heat of investigation is rising against him. Look closely on your screen. India Today has exclusively accessed these details. This is the return ticket detail from Germany of the JDS Hassan candidate. He will be flying back to India on 15th May, at least from the official return ticket of which we have the details, which means that from Munich he will leave at about 12 p.m. on 15th and will land in Bengaluru by the 16th of May. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has gone all guns blazing against Congress party on this. He has claimed that Prajwal was allowed to flee the country and that Siddaramaiah government waited for the voting in the Vokaliga belt to get over and did not take any action earlier. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has responded to Amit Shah's criticism, asking why was he silent on a number of issues when women were being sexually abused, alleging BJP netas are also possibly involved in this case.
Whatever the images or videos which is supposedly or which has been purportedly utilized by, which has been circulated. Yeah. My instruction is that he had an hint 1 year before that these kind of morphing images were to be used so as to defame him for various reasons. So for that purpose only 1 year back he had filed a civil suit and there was an injunction in his favor. Yeah. And probably if at all the so-called victim or so-called aggrieved person, I believe probably they should have first gone to the civil court, shown that there is some genuine material with them, and then they could have always, they are open to take the steps before the criminal courts or elsewhere. But probably without doing anything before the consent court, now doing things probably only time will tell what is the best recourse my client would adopt.
ಫಸ್ಟು ದೇವರಾಜೇಗೌಡ ಯಾರು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಹೇಳೋರೆ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ತಿರ್ಗಾ BJP ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಅಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ನಾರಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಗೌರವ ಇದೆ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಯಾರು BJP ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೊದಲು ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ತಾಯಂದಿರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಂತ್ವನ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಫಸ್ಟು BJP ಅವರು जनता दल फर्स्ट माडली।
सर, कर्नाटक के मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धरामैया ने पत्र लिखा है प्राइम मिनिस्टर को कि प्रज्वल रेवन्ना की पासपोर्ट अब कैंसिल कर दीजिए, हमें मदद कीजिए।
जब पकड़ना था तब पकड़ा नहीं और अब पत्र लिख रहे हैं। कई साल से, कई समय से इनके पास ये था, मगर जब तक वोकलिगा वोटिंग समाप्त नहीं हुआ इन्होंने अरेस्ट नहीं किया, इसको भाग जाने दिया। ये कर्नाटक सरकार की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है।
सर, आखिरी सवाल सर, काफी सवाल कांग्रेस नेता उठा रही है कि एनडीए MP भाग गए और पासपोर्ट पूरा MA के अंदर आता है, MHA इसको मदद किया
नहीं, मगर ये अपराध बाहर आने से पहले ही वो भाग गए। इनके पास कब से इंफॉर्मेशन था, इन्होंने छिपा कर रखा, उनको कदम उठाने थे।
So on this big story, in fact possibly the biggest this election season, joining me now, India Today's Nagarjun Dwarkanath from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, as you're traversing through the state, this perhaps would be the biggest story, at least for Hassan most definitely, while the country also is shocked. You got us that exclusive detail of the return flight. Now many would think he'll have to come right away, but he's still taking 15th or 16th of May to return. What are you picking up about the return plans right now, the itinerary of Mr. Prajwal Revanna and the political showdown on the ground over this?
Good morning, Pooja. In fact, we have accessed this passport copy as well as his ticket copy.
Okay.
The ticket that has been booked from Munich to Bengaluru is only from his Prajwal's passport number as well, and is booked through a travel agent is what we are told. So he would be returning on May 16th early morning to Bengaluru airport from Munich. Apart from this ticket, no other ticket has been booked in Prajwal Revanna's name, at least at this point of time. We would have to wait and watch if we would take an earlier flight, because his lawyer has said he would be appearing within 7 days. He sought an extension of 7 days from the SIT, or if at all this is true, that he would board the 16th flight, most likely that the lawyer also will seek an extension for another 10 days is what we are told. In a couple of days, we'll have a clearer picture if another ticket is being booked or not. But at this point of time, India Today has accessed his written details that no one else has. May 15th, he is going to take off from Munich and directly land midnight on May 16th in Bengaluru.
So Nagarjun Dwarkanath will be tracking the latest on this and precisely with the investigation. And we hope truth prevails because he has denied the charges. He has said these are morphed videos while the SIT is investigating the case on this. Remember, we are talking about videos that have been circulated where it appears very clearly that the women are being forced to indulge in sexual abuse and harassment. And some of these women that were employed with the family are the charges coming in. Take a look at this report because the focus is on a top MP in an influential family of Karnataka and the grandson of Deve Gowda.
JDS leader Prajwal Revanna faces the heat in the sex tape scandal. The special investigation team has issued notices to Prajwal and his father HD Revanna, asking them to appear for questioning. Taking to social media, Prajwal said truth will prevail and he needs 7 days to appear before the SIT. Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah has accused former Prime Minister HD Deve Gowda for helping his grandson leave the country ahead of the probe.
Deve Gowda plan ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು SIT ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
State Home Minister G. Parameshwara said the government may seek centre's assistance in the case.
ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು SIT ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೃಹ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಗೃಹ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಗಮನಿಸಿದೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಯಾರನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
Leader of opposition R. Ashoka slammed the Congress for dragging the Prime Minister into the controversy.
I think Congress people have no brain, I think. When he got into voting, there is a police officer is there, district administration is there, SP is there, everybody is there. After voting, why they allowed to go to airport? I think the failure of the intelligence.
State Excise Minister R.B. Timmapur sparked another row with a statement comparing Prajwal Revanna's sex gate to Lord Krishna having multiple wives.
ಪೆಂಡ್ರೈವ್ಗೆ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಂತಹ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವಿಚಾರ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕರಿ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ರು ಜೊತೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮುರಿಬೇಕತ್ತಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್.
तुरंत उनको कैबिनेट से हटाना चाहिए, नहीं है तो उन्हें भगवान कृष्ण को बारे में क्या कहा है उसको बारे में हम लोग प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे. उन्हें तुरंत क्षमा मांगना और उनको कैबिनेट से हटाना चाहिए.
Prajwal Revanna is under investigation after hundreds of sex videos allegedly featuring him became public. JDS has suspended Prajwal, who is the party candidate from Hassan, until the completion of the SIT probe.
Karnataka Congress minister has compared Revanna with Krishna when it comes to these kind of sex scandal. And this particular statement has not gone well with BJP, where they have criticized. On the other side, the Congress have distanced themselves from this particular statement. With video journalist Madhu Sagaras reporting for India Today, Bengaluru.